Yo everyone, what's going on? Today's protein hacks, we're about to make some pizza. So whenever we think dieting or eating better, no one's jumping up and yelling pizza. I disagree with this. I've never stopped eating pizza since starting my fitness journey. There's always a way to make a better option version of the foods we love, no matter what. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my 5-ingredient high protein pizza recipe using stuff I literally just bought at Target. So there's no excuse here, guys. You can buy the crust at Target, it's pre-made already. All you're gonna need is some chicken, some cheese, some pizza sauce, the crust, and I'm using spinach, but you can definitely put whatever toppings you like on this to make it your own. And remember, that's the key. Make it something you enjoy, make it something you love, and there's no reason why you can't enjoy your diet. So I'm really excited about this one. I'm sure there's gonna be plenty more pizzas in the future for protein hacks coming in, because I make these at least once a week and they're always different, and I love every single one of them. So I'm excited to get into this one, guys. If you're ready, I'm ready. So let's get in here, get this oven preheated, and start making our pizza. Yo everyone, my name's Mike. I used to be overweight and out of shape for most of my life, but through my training and nutrition, I completely turned my life around. I created protein hacks to show everyone that you don't have to be a professional chef to make delicious, better option foods, and to share my high protein recipes featuring a variety of ingredients and protein powders. This is Protein Hacks. What's going on, guys? We're gonna get straight into the pizza here. This crust I actually bought at Target, like I was saying a minute ago. I love using this crust. The calories are really low on it. I think for a quarter it's 170 calories, which is great. So for the whole pizza, it's still under 1,000, which is great for pizza crust. I'm also going to be throwing on some grilled chicken here, 10 ounces to be exact, some spinach for my healthy greens, mozzarella cheese, and some organic pizza sauce. All easy stuff I picked up at Target. Anyone can do it. So let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees on bake and start getting this pie ready to go. Great low-calorie pizza crust, like I said. You can easily make your own version from scratch. If you're on a keto diet, they have the cauliflower version now. So many different options. You can change this up to fit any of your dietary needs. Just spread the pizza sauce here evenly across. Real simple stuff, guys. This is gonna take minutes. With the ingredients you purchase, you can make several pizzas. You might have to buy a few crusts, but you'll have leftover sauce for sure, leftover cheese. I still have a full bag of chicken. I can make at least 5 of these pizzas. I just put down a little cheese at first just because I feel like it helps everything stick to the bottom a little better instead of just piling it on top. Now remember, when you cook your spinach, it's gonna shrink a little bit, so don't be too afraid to pile it on. All right, so you see I'm doing kind of doing a little bit of layering here. And finally, with the rest of the cheese, put it all on top. Remember, guys, this is just one variation of this pizza I make, and you can definitely make this however you like. If you love pepperoni, there's also Turkey Pepperoni, which is a great alternative to regular pepperoni that they also offer at Target. I typically use that as well, especially if you have kids. You can split this in half and, put the turkey pepperoni on one side for the kids and put all the healthy veggies on the other side for you. Whatever you'd like to do. Let's pop this thing in the oven here. Have a little pepperoni pizza on the side for my daughter. So we're gonna leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here we go. Delicious looking pizza. Definitely a lot of chicken on here, which is one of the issues when you order out. They kind of skimp you on the meat unless you pay a lot extra for it. This is gonna have plenty of meat, plenty of toppings to fill you up. That way you don't have to eat several slices. But with the reduced calories on this compared to a regular pizza, you could definitely eat a lot more with a lot less calories. I believe I made a version of this that was about 1,000 calories for the whole pizza. A day where I had a really big workout, I would eat the whole pizza, and there's nothing wrong with that. This pizza really came out delicious. Now let's break down the macros real quick. All right, guys, this is the macro breakdown. So today I'm going to be comparing my Protein Hacks pizza with a Pizza Hut pepperoni meat lovers pizza, just because it's kind of on a similar calorie level, and I want to see the difference in protein from this Pizza Hut version compared to our Protein Hack version. So our Protein Hack pizza has 369 calories. Mind you, that's for a quarter of the pizza, 31.7 grams of protein, 34.6 grams of carbs, and 10.8 grams of fat. So our protein is almost matching our carb level, which is a lot better than a normal pizza, I can tell you right now. So it's looking good right there. I'm trying to get these macro breakdowns kind of quick. So let's get our Pizza Hut version in so we can get a good comparison going. And there we have it, of hand tossed meat lovers pizza from Pizza Hut. Now we're looking at 300 calories, a little less than the Protein Hacks version, 16 grams of fat, that's 6 grams more, 25 grams of carbs, which is less here, but that's probably because of the spinach. A lot of the carbs on the Protein Hack pizza are going to be coming from vegetables, which I'm not worried about at all. And only 14 grams of protein, way below our 31.7 grams in the Protein Hack pizza. That's what we're looking for. That's what's going to promote muscle growth, and that's what we need to stay on track. Thanks again for checking out the macro breakdown. So if you guys ever make any extra food for your dinner, don't be afraid to put it in the fridge and save it for lunch the next day. It's going to save you a ton of time, and you're going to have a delicious snack for the next day. Thanks again for checking out the video, guys, and we'll catch you on the next Protein Hack. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for checking out the video, and I'll catch you on the next Protein Hack.